Hey y'all, just getting home. Gypsy the pit bull got her rock. There's Vito, 4-month-old Cane Corso male. Dolce, dominant female. Cane Corso there, and Lucia. Lucia got her stick. Good, pee-pee Vito. He's doing good with his potty training. I just have to praise him when he goes outside. Vito. Vito, get it, Vito. The two of them were playing with this stick. Get it, Dolce. Get it, Dolce. Dolce. Hi, Vito. Hi, sweet boy. Lucia, pretty girl. She's looking good, y'all. So if you're new to the channel, I'm going to be breeding Lucia. She's just going to be 2 years old, actually. But I'm going to breed her in about a year with Vito. Vito's my import male. Oh, he is gorgeous. Just love his temperament. Hi, Dolce. Dolce. There's Ozzy. Ozzy is the alpha dog of the pack. So, let's see. Oh, that's my Vito. That's my Vito. Yes. Ozzy. Oh, the sun's starting to go down. Oh, it's about 8 o'clock. Oh, just love this boy right here. I just love him. I was going to say, I didn't get to get it on camera quick enough, but you know, when I get home, all the dogs are behind the gate, and the one that's needs the most work is Gypsy, the pit bull. She jumps up on the gate waiting for me to open it, and every time I gotta make her sit, make her calm down before I open that gate. And you know, my fear was that Vito would take on her bad habit and start to jump up on the fence waiting for me to open it too. But no, he and Lucia, both of them actually, are very calm. I mean, they're wagging their tails and they're excited, but they're not going ballistic like Gypsy is. So he's got a wonderful disposition, very, very. Dolce, sit. Very, oh my gosh, I just can't say enough about him as far as, you know, his disposition, his temperament. Very stable. Get it, girl. Vito got it. Vito got it. Get it, Lucia. Dolce got it. See my predicament. I have to try and engage with all three of these, and at the same time, make sure I'm extremely alert that there's not going to be an altercation when there's competition going on. But right now there's two separate little games going on now. So Dolce isn't interacting with them. That's good. It used to be that when I would throw the stick, Lucia would try to get it as well as Dolce, and that created some tension, you know, competition, and it was very ripe for an altercation. But now you can see Lucia's more, you know, kind of separated off with a little game here with Vito. And then Gypsy is over there digging up rocks as usual. I'm gonna get it. Dolce. I'm gonna get it. Good. Good girl. Get it, Dolce. She's fast. Give me that stick. Get it, Dolce. Oh, it's good. They're actually playing nicely with each other. Dolce, give me this stick. Come on, you. Get these two. So everybody's occupied. Everybody's occupied. That's good. Yes. Yes. Okay, ready? Ready? Sit. Good. Ooh, what happens when Vito tries to take Dolce's stick? Gilto. Get Dolce. Get Dolce. Dolce, because there's been a few minor altercations. One with Lucia, one, and then a couple with Gypsy and Dolce. I think that Dolce now knows mostly that she needs to stay out of these little altercations. Sit. Vito, sit. Good, sit. Good, sit. See, he's already trained to sit, which is it's an easy command to train, but he did learn it. Ooh, let's see if he'll chase it. Yeah. Yeah, he's gonna chase it. Luchi. Luchi, working the jaws. Vito. Give me this. Give me this. Oh, careful, baby. Sit. Good. Sit. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Ready? Are you ready? Ozzy, ay papa. Hey, hey, hey. You be gentle. Well, come on, babies. Come on, babies. Well, she did. She good girl. She did let him know. You know, she's telling him she's more dominant. So that was good. I don't think she'd hurt him. Good girl. I don't think she'd hurt him. But Gypsy got her rock. Yeah, I got on to Gypsy for jumping on the fence whenever I came home. She was too excited. So immediately she went and she got a rock. So that's kind of what she does she's what Gypsy does to take her frustrations out on. She goes and carries around a big rock. Ooh, look at this. It was over 100 degrees today, y'all. I need to get some water on the plants. Ozzy. Hey. Hey, Bruce. How was it? Good. Did Vito have an accident? No accident?
No. And
A bit outside of that?
yeah, like I'm back up the doggy door, but not. He wouldn't want to go out here with me. I tried a few times. He won't back there. And they just left the whole day.
Go with you.
He just didn't want to. He just kind of looked out the door. None of the dogs wanted to go. Bruce wasn't going today.
Oh, maybe it was too hot.
It might.
It was 102 degrees.
Yeah.
Ozzy looks spent.
But I made
lasagna bolognese. Oh, it's in here. Bolognese.
it's really good, actually.
Oh, okay. It's my brother Albert. Bolognese. Mucho babito. Okay. Anyway, y'all, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna get these dogs some dinner. You can see it's kind of chaos in the house right now. Lucia got it. Vito, Lucia got it. Dolce. Okay, now get back, Gypsy. Get back, Gypsy. Anyway, yeah, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Vito. Oh my goodness, what a mess. We gotta, Let's take this outside. Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? Oh, sorry, baby. Catch me outside. How about that? Ooh. Dang it, you accidentally bit my hand. Vito.